14 shot clock anda, 14. 14 shot clock lang, wala katabok. Now jersey number 24. 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. The rebound taken by jersey number 13. Now dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 19. Kick out to the corner to jersey number 30. Back to 19. Pass to jersey number 20. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 13. Now jersey number 13. 224. 228. Fake. Pull up cover in the middle. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 5. Steal by jersey number 24. Kick out. Jersey number 11. Pull up jumper. Bang! Balik sa duwaban set. Foul. Substitution. Time out. Bakaw. Back to the ball game. Right there. Jersey number 24. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound by jersey number 29. Steal by jersey number 5. 2 points. Jersey number 16. Back to 29. Traveling violation.
Why ka naka-live na gina-upload mo lang?
Now jersey number 5.
Oo, gano'n. Signal,
Pass to jersey number 34 to 24 down to 19. Fake. Hold that last no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 28. Now jersey number 8 to 13. Now jersey number 13 attacking the basket out the glass. 2 points. Obalik sa duwa ang abanse. Now jersey number 5, aras by jersey number 16. 50. Now jersey number 24, Al-Jaglas, Kapos. O play ball, na-saving jersey number 28. Now jersey number 19, attacking the basket. 35 seconds. Now jersey number 5, harass by jersey number 19, pass to 30, to 24, steal, nakuha sa jersey number 5, 30. Ayan, Damias na gawin ba by jersey number 2, basket count! Foul, jersey number 28, the second personal foul. Sulit. 21 segundos, 21.
Corner shot.
3-point play, substitution. 21 segundos, 21.
42-38 in favor of Bakaw.
21 segundos. 20. 15. 5. Wala na time. End of second quarter. Nan butang higot. Higot sa liog.